The primary muscle worked during a standing, underhand, straight bar, cable triceps pushdown is the triceps with secondary involvement from the shoulders and chest. To get started, set the pulley on the cable machine to the highest position, then attach a straight bar to the high pulley and select an appropriate weight. Stand facing the cable machine with your feet shoulder width apart and knees slightly bent. Grasp the straight bar with an underhand, palms facing up grip, slightly narrower than shoulder width apart. Keep your elbows close to your sides and bent at a 90-degree angle. Engage your core muscles to stabilize your body and maintain an upright posture. Exhale as you push the bar downward by extending your elbows until your arms are fully extended, focusing on contracting your triceps hard at the bottom of the movement. Avoid using momentum to move the weight and ensure that the movement is controlled throughout the entire range of motion. Your upper arm should remain stationary throughout the exercise with your chest up and your shoulders relaxed. At the bottom of the movement, pause briefly to squeeze your triceps before slowly returning to the starting position. Inhale as you allow the bar to rise back up under control, returning to the starting position with your elbows bent at a 90-degree angle. Repeat for reps. Subscribe to get a new exercise video every day.